What is up and welcome back, everybody. It is Hank Down here from the Hank Down video. We're having a great day. Hope y'all are smiling. We're not going to because of why not? You guys, right now back here at the bean drill, which is right where the combine, our new 6620 turbo. It's actually we just had cannot remember which belt. One of those belts up in there, like a big old chunk taken out of it, and so we got that all fixed up. It's looking mean. It's looking good. And we're actually about to pull it out, and I think we're gonna harvest some beans here. Just one sec. I'll just go ahead, come up here and sit down. If you guys can see, we got some local farmers over there also harvesting right now, but about to break it out. Try and get some decent footage. I don't know if I've told you guys, this combine is actually hydrostat and stuff. All the controls, everything. Yeah, so right here's a better shot. People rolling over there. We just got everything. We're getting ready. Actually, my uncle got both my uncles down here. One of them just went to grab the head with our John Deere tractor, the bean head for this, and then one of them is over there, down there getting some oil or something. We're working on the combine, so that's what's going on. And there's my uncle coming back. He's got the bean head on there. Yes, sir, there it is. We're gonna go ahead, get this thing hooked up, hopefully get rolling to the field. That's our goal for tonight. Guys, so back here, we finished up that bean field that I was in last night. I sat out there decently late, about 8:30, but it was really dark when I got back. Out here, I drive my four everywhere, and we got the Kawasaki tripod, speaker, and out there, as you can tell, combine, disc, combine, gravity wagon, and other tractor. So our goal is here to get it all combined. These beans right here are ready. Unfortunately, we have 3 more fields of beans and 2 of them are not ready, but one of them is. So but we're not gonna get to that tonight. And yeah, so but our plan is to get this field harvested and then disc it up tonight. That's the goal. But right now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but we got a tree down in our field. I'll show you guys this. Right here, it's a tree down right our bean field, so working on getting it cut up. So that's what's going on, guys. I'll keep you posted and stuff. Keep the time lapse, keep the footage going, and let's get right to it. So there's the combine, 1586, one right there. And I, myself, am over here at the Deere, my 4-wheeler, and then we got some corn. But, see how full this thing is. Oh, not full there. Alright, let's go ahead. There we go. Oh wow, so we actually got quite a few beans on here right now. I think this one holds, I want to say 200, 215 bushel. A little cricket over there. But I'm not for sure. Up here we got a better view of everything. We got cornfields, tractor. I'll go over there actually. Show you guys that tractor real quick. Right after I show you this one though. So this is actually our 6405 John Deere. As you can tell, we got 2 extinguishers there, 1 extinguisher there. That's just in case the combine catches on fire. And these are not like your normal extinguishers for like your house. These are full of water, just simply water. Just because water will put out a combine much faster. And basically, when a combine catches on fire, I mean, it's just a lot can go wrong. An actual farmer around me, actually, his combine didn't catch on. It did catch on fire, and he got out, but I mean, his combine burned to the ground. So 3 extinguishers. So the controls are really simple, actually. So as you can tell, it's in park right now. This is just basically park, neutral, first gear, second gear, third gear, and then reverse. And now basically first gear A is really slow. First gear B is kind of slow. First gear C, decently slow. First gear D, you know, you're getting there. And it just basically keeps going up by 2 and then 3. So D3 is road gear, basically. So then you got your hydraulics and everything, disc motor, everything like that. That's basically it for this tractor. This is the tractor I drive a lot. I use it more during the hay season. I cut hay, Ted and rake and bale. I do it all pretty much and such. So just take you guys over here to the 1586. This is actually our biggest tractor. The fuel pump was leaking on it earlier, so we got it all fixed up and ready to rock and roll. And then back here is it's a disc. I don't know how many foot that disc is. It folds up, obviously. We don't have unfolded. I mean, we don't have it folded up right now because we're using it. And inside this thing, controls are, well, honestly, I've ran this tractor a couple times, so I don't know the controls that well. The controls are all right here. And then, so I mean, it's pretty fun running tractors. I mean, I've always found it super neat. That's why you guys see a lot of my farming on computers and stuff like that, but I'd much rather do it in real life. This is my dream job, to be the biggest farmer in my state. So one day we'll get there. Getting this bean field done fairly fast though. I'm back over here to the other tractor, my 4-wheeler, and I'll go get some more footage for y'all. Alrighty guys, so that's actually gonna wrap up today's video. As you guys can tell, if you guys cannot tell, it's my dog. It is just got done raining today. I'm actually filming this couple days later, I guess. See that? Oh yeah, that buzzard's having so much trouble. It's kind of funny. But I'm filming this a lot of days later. But just wrapping up the vlog here. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the combining. Yeah, so, and there'll be a lot more of those coming out, you know, because we still got some fields yet to do. Sorry about no posting. I've been on fall break from school, so been doing crazy stuff. Most of the time I've been trying to get my four-wheeler out of the mud. It's like the mud just calls my name, but yeah, I can't really stay away from it. And anyways, so that's actually going to wrap up today's vlog. So, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hope you're having a great day. Hope y'all are smiling. If you're not going to smile because, why not? And I'll catch you guys on the next Hank Todd video.